In this video, we're going to show you how to set up auto invoicing. This way, you can stop manually creating and sending invoices and let the system handle it for you. There are two parts to auto invoicing: auto create and auto send. We'll walk through both. Since this is set up on a per customer basis, you can customize it differently for each customer, depending on their billing cycle. To get started, go to the Customer tab and select Customers. Find the customer you want to set up auto invoicing for and click the pencil button. Once you're on the customer profile, scroll down and you'll see this box. Here, you'll find the options for both auto send invoices and auto create invoices. Let's start with auto create. This feature automatically generates invoices for your customer on a schedule you set, so you never have to build one from scratch for recurring customers. To turn it on, click and toggle on this button. Once enabled, you'll choose how often invoices should be created. You have three options: daily, weekly, and monthly. If you select daily, you'll choose between every day, including weekends, or every weekday, which is only Monday through Friday. If you select weekly, you'll choose how many weeks apart the invoices should be created and which day of the week they should be generated on. For example, you could set it to create an invoice every 2 weeks on Friday. If you select monthly, you have two sub-options. You can pick a specific day of the month, like the 1st or the 15th, or you can set it on a relative day, such as the first Monday of every month or the last Friday. Once you have your frequency set, make sure you click the green Save button to apply it. Now let's look at AutoSend. This feature automatically sends invoices to your customer on a schedule. Once an invoice is created, it goes out without you having to do anything. To turn it on, toggle the on switch. Just like Auto Create, you'll choose how often invoices are sent: daily, weekly, or monthly. The options work the same way. Choose daily if you want to send invoices every day, only on weekends, or only on weekdays. Choose weekly to set how many weeks apart and which day of the week invoices are sent. And choose monthly to send on a specific date each month or on a relative day, like the second Tuesday of every month. AutoSend will deliver invoices based on the contact preference you set for that customer, whether it's email, text, or another method. If you haven't set a preference for that customer, the system will default to sending by email. Once you're done setting up AutoSend, click the green Save button. You can use AutoCreate and AutoSend together for a fully hands-off billing process. We will create the invoice automatically and then send it to your customer, all without you lifting a finger. Just make sure your schedules are aligned. For example, if you auto-create invoices on the last day of the month, you may want to auto-send them on the 1st, so customers receive them right after they're generated. That's everything you need to know about auto-invoicing in LawnPro software. Set it up once per customer, and your invoicing runs on autopilot from there.